is up, cocky gang? Did y'all miss me? I missed y'all a little bit. I know it took me a little minute to post another video, but I'm here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this look. It's pretty simple. It's just two big old braids, and you don't have to braid the weave into your head. So you can use whatever you want, but I'll be using spritz, mousse for relaxed hair, wild growth hair oil. I already put it in my head after I washed it and blow dried it. So my favorite 24-hour edge tamer, rat tooth comb brush thingamajig. Y'all know I love this. A lot of bobby pins, a couple rubber bands, and some pack hair, braided hair. So this is from the Janet collection. It's feathered and it's pre-stretched. I find it a lot easier to use than regular braided hair because it's a lot softer and doesn't get tangled up much. So let's get started. Of course, I have my little mirror here. I actually got a new camera, guys, but I haven't exactly figured out how to use it yet. So when I do, you'll get a video on this, and I can give my sister back her camera. But anyway, okay, so my hair is parted. Let me show you guys what it looks like. 1 second. Let me see if you guys can see. It's parted in a slant on purpose. Trust me, I don't do hair, but I'm not that slow. What you're gonna do now is basically give yourself two braids with your natural hair. Hi, Mama.
Move, Capo. Move. You busy?
Come in. I'm making a video. Hi, friend.
What you doing?
I'm kind of in the middle of a YouTube video.
Your brother over there?
No. That's what you call me for?
I saw y'all. No, I only asked because I saw y'all be doing videos together.
Oh, yeah, sometimes. But he's not here today. I'm just doing a hair video today.
Okay.
Now, after you've gotten your hair all braided up, you can go ahead and start making your other braids. The hair came in 3 little bundles like this. So what you want to do is put them together so that you can braid them. So I just split one of them in half. Cross them. You know, it's gonna be big, so just put it right under my chin. Hold it there. Now you want to start the braid tight because you don't want it to come apart, but you actually want the braid to be loose. So do the top tight and then the rest of it loose. braid it all the way to the end, and you'll see why in a little bit. Okay, one down, one to go. Okay, so what I do is I just tie my actual real braids. I just tie them together like this. And once you have both of your braids done, you're just going to go ahead and put them in. You can figure out which side you want which braid to go on and just go from there. Now all you're doing is securing the braid onto your own head with the bobby pins. You want to try to make sure you get them as much as you can into your own braid. Make sure it's nice and tight, secure. That's one. Can you see? And once you get it secured on your head, you can, like, feather it out a little, depending on how you want it to look. I want mine to look huge. Jumbo. Jumbo for sure. Dramatic. Okay, so you want to tuck your braid in between the two. And then just braid it again. Damn. Oh, and don't think that you're not going to have nothing to clean up. You definitely still going to have to clean up some of that hair. It ain't much, though. See how cute this looks? And it's so simple. The story of my life, y'all already know. And you are pretty much done. Damn. And I got some glosser. Put that right up on this bad boy. Not too much. You don't want it to be too shiny. Oh, I got these little hair clips. It's like $2 a pack at the hair store. Might as well just add some little bling. Add some bling to your head. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram at she_2cocky with 2 Y's. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video.